How to fix Fashion Nova app not loading. To fix Fashion Nova app not loading, what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to make sure to open up settings on your device and you want to go to app section, locate Fashion Nova from the list, go to storage and cache, make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete your data, but if you do it so, that's well and good. You could just log in back as well. After you've done this, you want to exit out. You want to make sure to close all the background running app and at the same time hold on to your side button and restart your device and see whether that has been able to fix or not. If that's not the case, you could also try updating your app. Go to your respective app store, type in Fashion Nova on the search bar, and you could simply go ahead and update the app to the latest version as well. And despite updating the app, if the issue still persists on, sometimes you could switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data as well and see whether that has been an issue or not. However, if nothing works out, you might want to make sure to uninstall some of the apps that is not necessary. Sometimes it could be due to the storage as well. So you could simply uninstall some of the unnecessary app and see whether that is able to help you or not. You could also check for any sort of VPN or extension installed to your device. You might want to disable that for a while as well. So try all of these methods and see whether it fixes your issue or not. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.